So you just picked up a 3rd gen Tundra. First off, congrats. Now you're probably asking yourself, where do I start? Don't worry, we got you covered. In this video, we're gonna break down some of the best beginner mods to kick off your Tundra build and make it feel more like your truck. Whether you're hitting the trails or you just want it to stand out more in the grocery store parking lot, these are some great first steps. So let's start with the outside, what everyone sees and what you'll catch yourself admiring every time you walk away from it. First up, wheels and tires. It's one of the easiest ways to give your truck a whole new attitude. This mod is super visual, straightforward to install, but yeah, it's not the cheapest upgrade. But it's worth every penny in my opinion. A common setup is a 17 by 8.5 with a 0 offset. Clean look, better stance, and just enough poke without getting too wild. And if you're wondering about tire size, you can fit 33s or 35s with minimal modifications. If you guys want to check out a video where we test fit 33s and 35s on a stock Tundra, we'll go ahead and put that link down below. We also have videos for almost everything in this video, so if you're interested in checking any of those out, they'll be down in the description. Next up, if your Tundra came loaded with chrome, we already know it's not for everyone. Blackout overlays are an easy way to give your truck a more aggressive and modern look. They're peel and stick, no tools needed, and they cover the most noticeable areas like your badges, handles, mirrors, and grille. In just a few minutes, you've completely changed the vibe of your truck. That looks so much better. Now let's talk convenience, because trying to open your tailgate with your hands full is not it. The tailgate bump switch solves that problem in the slickest way possible. A quick install, literally 5 minutes, and now you can open the tailgate with a gentle bump. Groceries, gear, coffee in one hand, no problem. And once the tailgate's down, getting in the bed should be easy too, especially if your knees are over 30 years old.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
That's where the bed step comes in. It mounts to your frame, tucks away nicely, and flips down with your foot. No more hopping, climbing, or awkwardly dragging yourself up by the tailgate cable. Now here's something you don't notice until you need it: tow hooks. Toyota left them off, which is kind of weird.
No worry on that one, dipshit.
But we've got you covered. We offer front and rear bolt-on options that look factory, add a little styling, and give you real recovery points. Whether you're getting unstuck or you're playing hero for someone else, you'll be glad you've got these. All right, now let's take it inside, because your truck should feel just as dialed in on the inside as it does on the outside. Let's kick it off with a super simple swap, the shift knob. It's small, but you use it every time you drive, and upgrading it instantly adds some personality to your cabin. Pick something that fits your style, rugged, clean, sporty, whatever your vibe is, there's a knob for that. We have a few options available. The key fob is another everyday carry item that usually gets overlooked. Swap it out for something more unique, or go one step further with our topography engraving that's only available at Yota Xpedition. A little touch that makes a big impression every time you grab your keys. Now, let's be honest, trucks get dirty. Keep your interior protected and looking fresh with WeatherTech floor mats, seat protectors, and seat back covers. Whether it's mud, spills, or your kids doing things they shouldn't, these make cleanup easy and prevent long-term wear and tear. Now, do you ever find yourself losing stuff in your truck? Same. The center console in the Tundra is basically a trash can until you organize it. Our center console organizer drops right in and gives everything a home. Your phone, your keys, pens, gum, whatever you roll with on the daily. And speaking of your phone, don't let it slide around your dash or fall into the abyss. The off-roam phone mount is clean, minimal, and installs very easily. It holds your phone right where you need it, and honestly, it just makes the truck feel more put together. Now, let's light some things up. Lighting upgrades are some of the most underrated beginner mods until you experience them. Starting with a quick win, the Diodynamics hitch light. Slide it into your hitch receiver, plug in the jumper to your trailer plug, and boom, an extra brake light, reverse light, and running light. It's like a safety upgrade and a style upgrade rolled into one, and it takes less than a minute to install. Moving up to the bed, the factory bed lights are, let's just say, underwhelming. Upgrade with the Diodynamics bed light kit. Super bright, super clean install, and it plugs right into your factory wiring. You can even pick different colored lenses if you want to switch things up. And the factory interior lights, again, kinda sad. Really? This is it? Swap those out for Miso Custom's LEDs for a brighter cabin and optional red lighting that looks awesome at night. Perfect for camping, late night drives, or just flexing when you open the door. That's more like it. Now I can actually see the interior of my truck. Are you looking to upgrade the front end? Diodynamics and Baja Designs both offer killer fog light kits that not only look better, but actually help you see better too. Install is super simple. Pop off the bezel, swap the lights, and plug them in. Works with your factory switch and no messy wiring. And last but not least, vent lights. Those boring plastic bumper vents can be replaced with LED units that give you running lights, sequential turn signals, and even startup animations depending on the model. It's a subtle mod that makes a big statement, especially at night. There is some wiring involved, but we got you covered with a full step-by-step install video. Alright guys, that's going to be a wrap. We just ran through some of the best beginner mods for your Tundra, covering the exterior, interior, and lighting, so you can start your build off strong. And if you're ready to get started, hit up Yota Xpedition for all the parts we talked about and more. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button, and if you want, check these two videos out right here for more Tundra content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.